Do you feel totally lost when it comes to building a website but still dream of launching your online business? Keep watching because I'm going to show you how to build a clean professional website using AI, even if you've got zero tech skills, no money and no clue where to start. This could be the moment that everything shifts for you. Now before we get started, can I ask one small favour? If you like what I do here, can you please hit the subscribe button? That keeps me energized to bring you more content. Thank you very much. Let's get into it. Let's get started with tip number 1, which is to use AI to turn your messy ideas into a website that makes sense and money. The truth is your website isn't just a page, it's the doorway to your future. Now most people feel stuck here because they've got 1,000 ideas and no clear plan. But AI, it can take your jumbled thoughts and turn them into a crystal clear website in just a few minutes. Now I suggest you tell ChatGPT what you actually do in your own words. Something like, I help side hustlers quit their 9 to 5 with freelance writing. And then just ask ChatGPT, what pages should I have and what should each page actually say? You'll be blown away by how fast your idea turns into a real structure. Now you can use AI to fight the biggest myth in online business, that design matters more than clarity. This simply isn't the case. Now what your audience really wants is to know if you understand their problems. So you can ask AI to write headlines that hit their pain like a punch to the gut, because that's what really gets the attention. Now one of my clients had a dream to launch a fitness coaching program. So she used AI to plan a website that showed her story, her system and her testimonials. And she didn't spend $1 on design and signed 5 paying clients in her first week. So this is not hype, it's just real clarity. Now most people obsess over the wrong things like the colours and the design or the logos. But the truth is, if your visitors doesn't know what you do within 3 seconds, they're probably going to leave. So I would recommend that you ask the AI, how can I explain my offer so a 10-year-old would understand it really well? And that's how you win. Remember, your website should never feel like a maze. It should feel like a guided tour that builds some real trust. So let AI act like your business therapist. You can ask the AI, what would make someone trust me enough to actually purchase? And let that shape your layout. You're not just building a website, you're building a digital version of your belief in yourself. AI makes the process faster, sure, but more importantly, it gives you the confidence to finally move from planning to actually launching. Now, I've put together some free training resources to help you build an online income source using AI. Go and click the link below in the description to learn more. Now back to the video. Let's now move on to tip number 2, which is to let AI design a professional website even if you feel like a tech failure. Look, if you've ever said to yourself, I'm just not good at tech, then I want you to know that you've been lied to. You're not bad at tech, you've just never had the right tools. AI website builders like Durable, 10Web or Hostinger's AI Builder will help to flip that script entirely. Now, I've seen people who could barely open a Google document go from idea to published website in just under an hour, just by typing in what they actually do. That's the kind of leverage that AI gives you. You don't need to figure it out. You just need to describe your vision and AI will do the rest. Now, I would recommend you stop worrying about what platform is best and start asking which one gets me online fastest with the least friction. That question alone can cut your timeline in half. Now you're not building a website, you're building some momentum. Now there's a myth that you have to choose between fast and professional. You really don't. These AI tools can create clean and responsive sites that look just as good as custom designs, but without the $3,000 price tag. And the truth is, nobody really cares how custom your website is. They care about if it actually works. Now, I worked with a hairstylist who thought she needed $5,000 just to get online. So we used AI to build a website in 45 minutes and then booked 18 new clients in just 30 days. That's not magic, that's just clarity and good execution. Now, if your brain shuts down at words like DNS, hosting or plugins, then just take a moment to have a breather. These platforms handle it all for you. You just need to type, that's it. So let the AI handle the complexity while you just simply focus on the connection. This isn't about shortcuts, it's about survival. If you've been stuck for 3 months because the tech stuff is in the way, then using AI to launch your website now might be the decision that shifts your entire year. Let me now give you tip number 3, which is to use AI to write website copy that connects and actually converts. You don't need to be a copywriter to make people feel seen. You just need to understand your target audience. AI helps you write like the version of yourself that's already successful, clear, confident, and emotionally in tune. You want to start with this. Tell the AI who you help, what problem they're facing, and how you actually solve it. Then just ask ChatGPT, can you write my homepage in a way that feels personal and not salesy? The difference is night and day. I recommend you stop obsessing over sounding more professional. That's not what people really want. You see, what people really want is they want to feel like you actually get them and you actually understand their problems. So you can ask AI to write your copy like a conversation between two friends at a coffee shop. That one simple prompt changes everything. Now, one of my favourite transformations is a personal stylist that I coached who was scared her words sounded too cheesy. So what we did, we used AI to write her about section in her own voice, and it landed her a podcast interview and 3 new clients within just a week. Now, because her words finally felt more real to her audience. The key thing here is emotion. You want to ask the AI to write for the moment that your audience is in. So if they're overwhelmed, your words should sound calm. If they're stuck, your copy should energize. You don't want to sell with any hype, you just want to sell with some empathy. Now, I would suggest that you use AI to write 3 different versions of every major section, especially your headlines. One that speaks to the pain, one that speaks to the hope, and one to the urgency. You then want to test which one gets people to stay longer. That's how real growth begins to happen. And don't forget this, the words on a page are just bridges. The faster someone feels more understood, the faster they will actually take action. AI isn't replacing your voice, it's helping you amplify it to another level so you can reach the people you were meant to help. Let's now move on to tip number 4, which is to evolve your website with AI so it grows with you, not against you. Here's the secret that no one talks about. Most websites are built once and then simply abandoned, but you're building a business that evolves, and AI lets your website grow with you instead of becoming dead weight. I recommend you check your analytics every 2 weeks and then take those numbers to the AI and then just ask ChatGPT, what's not working here? You'll get some insights that 95% of new business owners completely miss. Now, I've seen people 5 times their conversion rates just by using AI to rewrite their headlines based on visitor behaviour. That's the kind of growth that doesn't require new traffic, just better communication. You can also ask AI to act like your ideal customer. So you can say to ChatGPT, you're a burned out 30-year-old mum looking to start a freelance career. What do you wish this site said differently? That single question can unlock game-changing clarity. Now let me give you an example. I helped a client rebuild her services page using AI prompts tailored to her audience's mindset. Now before we did this, she had 0 inquiries in just 2 months. And after 9, and then after we did this, she got 9 in the first week, using the same offer but just with different words. Now you want to make sure that you're not building for where you are now, but where you're actually going to be. So you can ask AI, if I wanted to scale this site to 100 sales a month as an example, what would need to change? And you'll start thinking like the CEO that you're becoming. Now here's the truth, your website isn't just your web store. It's your mirror. It reflects how much you believe in what you're actually doing. So when you evolve the website, when you let it actually grow, it shows the world and yourself that this is something real. Let me now give you tip number 5, which is to choose the right AI website builder so you can finally stop overthinking and start building. Now, one of the biggest roadblocks that I see is people spend weeks comparing platforms and never really get started. Let me tell you the truth, you don't need perfect tech, you just need to make progress. Whether you go with Durable, Wix, WordPress or even Squarespace, the key is choosing what fits your energy and not someone else's blog post. The faster that you launch, the faster you get feedback. and that feedback is what grows businesses and not templates. Now, if you're the kind of person who just wants to get online today without messing with anything technical, I would recommend Durable. You literally type in what you do, such as "I help busy mums meal prep," and boom, full website in just 30 seconds. Now, one of my coaching clients did this on her lunch break and booked her first paying clients before dinner. Now, if you want a bit more creative freedom but you still want AI to actually guide you, then Wix's AI website builder is honestly very impressive. You just answer a few simple questions about your brand, your style and your audience, and Wix will build a layout that matches your vibe. Now, one wedding photographer that I know used Wix to create a website that felt totally custom. She said, "It finally feels like me," and that gave me the confidence to start charging more prices. Now, for the DIYers who want full control over every detail and maybe a bit of a learning curve, I suggest WordPress with Elementor AI or 10 Webs AI Toolkit. These are for you if you plan to scale big later on, like adding a blog, sales funnels, or even you want more custom features. Now, a nutrition coach I helped started with WordPress and 10 Web, and yes, it took her a weekend to learn, but now her SEO traffic brings in leads while she sleeps. Now, if you're a bit more of a visual person and you love a clean, elegant design without any coding, then Squarespace is still a solid pick, and it now integrates AI tools for writing and layout suggestions. Now, one fashion stylist that I worked with used Squarespace AI to write her homepage in her own voice. That shift alone made her feel proud to share her website for the first time ever. Now, I would suggest that you match your mindset to the builder. So are you craving speed and simplicity? Then go for Durable. If you want artistic control with help, then you want to go with Wix. If you want long-term flexibility and some blog features, then WordPress is probably going to be the best option. And if you love clean aesthetics with some good structure, then I would recommend you try Squarespace. There's no wrong answer here, just the one that gets you moving. Now, the thing that you don't want is to keep researching while your dream collects dust. Every day that your website isn't live, someone else is actually launching. Now, I've watched people go from totally overwhelmed to fully online in just a weekend, just by picking a tool, typing in their idea, and clicking publish. The confidence that builds is worth more than any feature list. Let's now move on to tip number 6, which is to use AI to turn your website into a 24/7 sales assistant. Now, here's something that most people don't realize. A website without a purpose is just digital wallpaper. If your website looks very nice but no one's signing up, buying anything, or messaging you, then it's probably not working very well for you. I suggest you think of your website like a virtual salesperson, and with AI you can train it to speak with your audience better than you can. The first thing I recommend you do is to use ChatGPT or Jasper to write some sales copy that actually connects. You don't want to just list what you do, you want to write it in a way that shows your ideal customer that you understand them really better than your closest competitors. Now, one of my clients used ChatGPT to rewrite her homepage from "I sell handmade candles" to "helping overwhelmed mums create 10 minutes of peace every night with calming candle rituals." And by doing this, her sales doubled. Now, if you want your site to build trust fast, I suggest adding an AI-powered chatbot like Tidio or ManyChat. These tools let your visitors ask questions 24/7 and get real helpful answers. Now, a fitness coach that I worked with added a Tidio chatbot to his website, and within 48 hours, someone who chatted with the chatbot booked a $297 coaching call. The bot handled absolutely everything with the FAQs, the pricing, and even booking the call. Now, to help you boost your conversions, I recommend using Hotjar or Microsoft Clarity. Both have AI-driven heat maps to see how people really move through your site. You'll find out which parts confuse them and which parts they skip and where they actually click. Now, one client that I worked with found that her pricing section was too far down the page. Then once she moved it up, her sign-ups jumped by 43% in just a week. Now, a smart way for you to grow your email list without sounding pushy is to use AI to create a free lead magnet. You can ask ChatGPT to help you build a checklist, a short guide, or even a quiz in your niche. A freelance bookkeeper that I coached created a 5-minute tax checklist for small business owners using AI, and she put it on her homepage and built a list of 300 qualified leads in just 1 month. Now, the thing that most people forget is that your website doesn't have to be done to start working. You can start small, like with just one high converting landing page, and then add a few more things later on. A hairstylist that I know used just a 1-page AI built website with her booking form, her bio and testimonials, and still filled her calendar for the month. So I want you to remember this: your website's job isn't to impress people, it's to simply guide them. You want to guide them to book, to buy, or to connect. And when you combine AI with real empathy, you're not just building a website, you're building an online experience that actually changes people's lives. That's when things get really exciting. Let me now give you tip number 7, which is to use AI to drive traffic from people already searching for what you offer. Now let me be real with you. You don't need a massive audience to actually get real results. You need the right people visiting your website at the right time. And one of the smartest ways to make that happen is to use AI to help you tap into what people are already looking for on Google. That's how you attract people who are already looking for help, instead of chasing people who aren't really even interested that much yet. I recommend using AI tools like ChatGPT, Ubersuggest, the Google Keyword Planner, or Phrase.io to find what people are actively searching for within your niche. You can just simply ask ChatGPT what questions are people asking for about, and then insert your topic. For example, a productivity coach that I helped used ChatGPT to uncover that people were searching for how to manage time as a mum with a side hustle. So she created a simple blog post with that exact phrase, and it started ranking within just 3 or 4 weeks. Now, one of the best things you can do is to turn those searches into blog content, videos, or mini guides that live right on your website. The key thing here is to make sure your content actually solves the problem or takes away a pain point and not just talks about it. A copywriter that I worked with used AI to write a cold email starter pack blog post. That single article brought in over 1,000 organic visitors in just 30 days and 4 new clients from her website. Now, if your struggle is knowing what kind of content to create, let me tell you this: most of the internet is filled with fairly useless information in terms of actual what's useful. Now, you can use AI to create original angles that feel personal. I would suggest that you ask ChatGPT what are some untapped angles to talk about, and then insert your niche in a way that grabs attention. I had a nutrition coach do this, and she created a blog post called "Why Intermittent Fasting Made Me Gain Weight and What I Did Instead." It went mini viral in her community. Now, to help you get even more traction, I recommend using Pinterest or YouTube Shorts to drive traffic to that content. Now, you don't need to be an influencer, you just need to have clear titles and valuable information. Now, one wedding planner that I coached used AI to script 3 YouTube Shorts, each under 60 seconds. Pointing back to a blog post on her website, and she got 500 plus new visitors and booked 2 consultations in the first week. Now, a smart way for you to boost your visibility is by embedding keywords naturally into your website copy, blog content, and even your image descriptions. Don't keyword stuff, but just make sure your site answers the exact things that your dream clients are typing into Google. This helped a dog trainer that I worked with go from page 5 to page 1 in the local searches by simply tweaking a few headline phrases with AI's help. The real transformation is you stop feeling invisible. You simply go from wondering why isn't anybody finding me online to waking up with people in your own inbox saying, "Hey, I found your website and I think you can help me." That's what happens when your website isn't just beautiful, it's also SEO discoverable. And AI gives you the tools to make that happen without paying for traffic or hiring an SEO expert. And that's it for today. 7 practical tips that you can begin implementing right away. Now, if you're ready to take real steps towards building your online business and creating reliable income streams, then this is your moment to move forward. Take the next step now. Click the link below in the description or in the comments and go through to my website, where you can find some free training resources to help you get started right away. These free step-by-step resources are designed to guide you through launching a successful online business and generating online income streams. So don't wait, take action today. Click the link below and start your journey right now. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. It really does energize and motivate me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. And if you want to connect on social, you can find me on LinkedIn and Instagram. The links are in the description below. Thank you so much for watching and supporting the channel, and have a wonderful day.